Now, a week yesterday, over 1,500 runners tackled the arduous and rugged, though undeniably beautiful route of the Beachy Head Marathon in East Sussex. It's said to be one of the toughest off-road marathons in the country. A tough one, then, to choose as your first marathon, but that's what Jenny Brown did, and she flew in from Peru, where she works for the charity Latin Link, to take part. And she joins us now. Good morning, Jenny.
Morning, Emily.
Congratulations, first of all. Why run the Beachy Head Marathon?
Thank you. I guess because it was my home marathon. I don't come from Eastbourne, but I lived for 7 years in Eastbourne before I went out to Peru. So it was my home marathon. Also liked the idea that it was a more cross-country type marathon because, quite a few years ago when I was running seriously, cross-country was my main running event. So I thought I'd try Beachy Head.
Do you know what? You're an inspiration to us all. I can just about manage a 5K now without collapsing in a heat. So anyone who can run a marathon, even a half marathon, that's very impressive. And to run it on terrain like around Beachy Head, Alex Goldberg is with you.
I'm in admiration.
We're in awe of you. Absolutely.
I mean, it sounds like a marathon for the Grand Old Duke of York and his 10,000 men and women, I guess.
Jenny, why did you come all the way from Peru to run this then? What were you raising money for?
Part of the reason I came back was to see my parents. My mum suffers from ME and has done for years and years, so I was running partly for the ME Association and also partly for Latin Link, which is the Christian organisation I work for out in Peru.
Tell me more about Latin Link. What do they do?
Latin Link partners with the Latin American Church to meet a whole range of practical and spiritual needs. For me, that means I'm supporting kids in the state hospital in Cuzco, in the Andes. My husband helps people start small businesses through training and small loans. There's a whole range of different things that people do. We've got 100 members of 14 different nationalities serving in all sorts of different countries across South America.
Gosh, I imagine living in Peru is quite different from living in Eastbourne. And I know that King's Church in Eastbourne have been very supportive of you.
Yes, they have. King's Church is our home church. We were there for the 7 years before we went out to Peru. They've been brilliant. We've had people there who've come and visited us and come and work with us as well, so that's been great.
If people want to find out more about Latin Link, how do they do that?
The best thing is to go to the webpage, I guess, latinlink.org.uk, and they can find out all about the work we do all over the place and find out about Latin Americans who come to this country to work as well.
That's fantastic. Jenny, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Any plans to do another marathon?
Oh, not at the moment. That could be my modern only. But
maybe you could do one back in Peru. Jenny Brown, who ran the Beachy Head Marathon last week in aid of the ME Chronic Fatigue charities and also Latin Link. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Both good names.
Hello.